is I'm going to ask a question. List down Azure fundamental certifications. Let's see what are all the certifications it has. So it returns AI 900, AZ 900, all artificial intelligence, Azure, data platform, security, all fundamental questions. Let me put a short word AI 900. Let me see, is it returning anything for me? Okay, no, it's because it contains the same question, so it doesn't return for me. So I'll put in another question. What is Azure Developer Associate for? So building and deploying apps. So this Azure Developer Associate is for building and deploying apps, and it's giving me the certification. AZ204 is the certification for this one. And if you want to test it, what is the, let me ask, what is machine learning and AI? Let's see whether I have such questions. Yeah, it enables system to learn and improve without explicit coding. So yeah, so this is the chatbot I created using my own Excel data. So for example, if you have your own set of questions, for example, the retail or a travel, where user comes and asks for an eternity or cuisines, the restaurants I can look for. So you have those knowledge base with you. You put all those things in an Excel or a text file. So you can create your own chatbot for the travel agency or the restaurants, and you can plug it in your website or your chat applications wherever, even in the WhatsApp also you can plug it. Yeah, so this is all about the demo we have, and we came to end of the today's session. So let's go for a questions. So do we have any open questions?
Thank you, Naveen, for the session. I think there was no technical questions. Let's give
Okay,
them
well done, good.
2 minutes
Sure, yeah.
to drop their questions.
Mhm. Question, how will the AI be able to improve its response? Does it improve as frequently use the AI system? Okay, so in this particular case, right, the knowledge base is predefined. So for the question, what is the answer you have given? So it will give only that response. If you want to improve the response, probably you need to go and edit your knowledge base and you have to push the deployment. So from the next questions, it will take it up. But whereas in the previous session, we have created using a ML model. Here we didn't use ML models. So if you're using any ML model, it may train the response, and the first response may be incorrect answer. It try to correct itself based on the responses. Okay, if you are using, but here we didn't use any ML model, just we are using a question and answering feature from the language service. Yeah, so I hope I answered your question. Can we make native separated AI applications using Azure? Native, I think the initially when we created, we have to select the language, right? The English what we selected. Probably when you are creating a bot applications for your own native language, probably you can check that language and then you can create it. Yes.